Akaulo ikansilan alilo kina egole ya peske kauna barasa na tubor. Abu apolo ne chelong Simon Peter Edoru. Kisunyak ay woro na urianet na tipet ay tomo kina tioni singin. Ebela kini kansila na igole ya peske agre muramira kitronitos ngesi kanwebe asalanu tika ay nachita itach esoma kanu da buje kimwa ebe rai sabet. Kaurenet kangin abweje ko duo akaole girigira lo apiai Samuel Eyangu kansila katine akeri kine kansila LC5 tubur Bob Owiny kitroni ngol kanwebe ay sibironore na peta pugan.
Sabotage this project not to go to Katine. If this project is not going to happen in Katine, if this man is going to go back from Katine, then you also counted. Never say that you're not part of the team, but take it that you are also a part of it if this man is going back. And let me tell you, my people of Katine are not happy with you because you are the very person who has kept on running to IGG of the same issue. Now you are here telling me that if this man is going back, the blame must come to the Secretary of Finance. Now, what do you want me to do? And I want to tell you, if you want to kill me, start with me now, bro. Start with me now. Start with me now. Don't fool me.
Atupito na polo kitoni polisi ni kokide na kochoga SSP Nelson George Soma ngesi tigogongit ebe adumutu kesi ya musago ke win.
The incident was unbecoming. The police authority and the stakeholders blamed the way these people conducted themselves, and as we talk now, the matter is being investigated at Soros CPS. VAT 80/05/05/2023. We call upon the leaders of that caliber to come up with other devices of sorting out issues, because in the first instance the code of locking the office of the chief administrative officer was not a solution. In the district we have leaders who would have got informed about the incident and immediately handled it amicably to avoid such commotions in the district. Because as leaders, they have to be exemplary.
Eraban la puga na kosoroti Abraham Ekwaru ngese toronit ibore abui kisomaun aparangin itigenarite kwarebe aponi ongara ya pesike apolo kintona jakanuto neda kwa na itorosa swamke ejo kwapolem
bwe ation solom na mamsoda itojo kari kwa district na ngakina buja kidini the honorable members of council anuno inovicho kinakeda akirongola agweltere ya PSC leya itwa Apollo arabunwa jakanuto toma Soros district konyedo hapo to temono kisaina akirongun nenda down na show kwani ngari yopote ona remember sa chamuto ngari ofisi ido kupakwa na swam otomo district aloso telosi kwa lemsek bunikwa ne district Kanu ino otomo political arm kala technical arm ai boikin sote isho and more na kirongun itetere da kirongun je so ai tonomo solution na be taito kwenye kwa peda auditori honorable members alosta kwenye keda ekeche essential motion na beito kesi otomo council na be table ikinongaren ipore kesa tolomo angoriana nginto to meje ya kesi ke alere speaker so mameni mikiti kesi
Kaluka TV East Rebecca Mongin ko district Soroti.